Hello, Joe here from Infiniti of Tacoma. Today I'm going to tell you about this gorgeous 2019 Infiniti Q50 LUXE all-wheel drive that we have for sale. We acquired this directly from Infiniti Financial Services. It's a one-owner clean Carfax vehicle. We do have a complimentary Carfax report. This one only has 12,527 miles. As you can imagine, it's in near new condition inside and out with such low miles. It's also Infiniti certified pre-owned, so you get a lot of benefits of Infiniti pre-owned certification. Remember, you can only get a certified pre-owned Infiniti from a new Infiniti retailer like us. So basically, Infiniti pre-owned certification, you get all the benefits you normally would if you bought a brand new Infiniti. You get great benefits like roadside assistance for the duration of the certified warranty, trip interruption benefits. You have complimentary Infiniti service loaner vehicle for extended service days. Your first year basic maintenance is complimentary. This comes with a 6-year, 75,000 mile certified warranty that covers about 1,400 components. Available, well-qualified buyers have available low-rate financing on certified pre-owned vehicles. Lots of cool, amazing stuff. And 2019 is a great year for the Q50 because in 2018 the Q50 got its first major facelift. The outside and inside was restyled. You get a new shifter design, new steering wheel, the same steering wheel you'll find like in the Q60. This one has a fantastic infotainment system. Forward emergency braking is now available on this option package. You notice you have a dual display system. The top screen is for Bluetooth, clock, parking camera. The bottom screen is a tablet-like interface for vehicle settings and apps. Have a drive mode selector. You can make changes to the engine and transmission. You can make changes to the feel of the steering. Active trace control will brake the individual wheels when cornering to help you rotate through the corner a little bit better. You can shut that system on or off. You can also control the drive mode selector with this switch right here. And you can obviously personalize it too. This has a moonroof, automatic dimming mirror, universal garage door opener. I'll also notice a nice contrast stitching on the dashboard. That's something new on the 2018 and 2019 Q50s. Also get a new alloy wheel design on the LUXE models. Beautiful color combination in black on black. The Q50 is built on the advanced front midship platform. Pretty much the sportiest Infinitis we've seen over the last 15 years have been built on this advanced front midship platform. The rear tail lights were restyled as well. The 350Z, 370Z have been built on the advanced front midship platform. The Q60, G37, looks like this has all season mats and regular floor mats as well as a cargo area protector. So the reason why they call it the advanced front midship platform is they take the engine and they place it as far back behind the front axle as possible so the center of gravity is towards the middle of the vehicle. This just helps it rotate on its axis, improves the handling and feel through the corners. This Q50 is also all-wheel drive. Rear-wheel drive is standard, intelligent all-wheel drive is optional. Generally, in our neck of the woods, most people will get all-wheel drive because of the wet, slippery climate we have. And with all-wheel drive, your wet weather performance will be greatly improved, and you'll do a lot better driving in the snow versus rear-wheel drive, which is standard. The reason why they call it intelligent all-wheel drive is because when all-wheel drive is not needed, it will be 100% of the power to the rear wheels. They do that to give it the feel of a rear-wheel drive sports car. This is a performance sedan. It also helps battle premature tire wear and improves fuel economy, because if the all-wheel drive system is working all the time, it's going to reduce your gas mileage and it's going to chew through your tires faster. And then there's no point in an all-wheel drive system working if you don't need it in dry conditions like this. The heart of the Q50 is the new VR30 twin turbo V6. This engine first arrived in the Q50 in 2016, replacing the aging VQ37 engine. It's direct injection, it's twin turbocharged, it makes 300 horsepower, it's very fuel efficient for a 300 horsepower V6. Also has lots of low end power, very fast automobile. The front end was also restyled for 2018, making 2019 a great one to consider. Adaptive xenon lights provide outstanding nighttime visibility, and look at this car, it really is a beautiful automobile. It doesn't look really like anything else on the road. It's also made in Japan. If you do value Japanese build quality, not all Japanese brands these days are made in Japan, but the Q50 still is, and not all Infinitis are made in Japan these days. But some people like their Japanese cars actually made in Japan. So the Q50 is a real deal, and if you're always curious, where the vehicle is built, you can always look at the VIN number. You can tell it's built in Japan because the VIN number will begin with a J. If you're in the market for a Q50, this 2019 certified pre-owned one with such low miles, it's definitely worth a look. I don't think you'll be disappointed at all. Thanks so much for taking the time today to watch this video. Hopefully we see you soon, and have a wonderful day.